talk about the DBT skill body scan. Body scan is a practice that can help you increase mindfulness, reduce stress, regulate emotions, reduce dissociation, and increase body awareness. I think most of us could benefit from that, right? So it's a skill we can use and is fortunately easy to learn. It's easiest to practice if you have a quiet, comfortable space, but when you get used to doing it, you'll be able to use it when you're having a stressful moment too. So for practice, though, we want to sit or lie down in a relaxed, comfortable position. And if you have the time and privacy, you can do it along with me now. To close your eyes or soften your gaze if that feels safer. Take a few deep breaths and notice your body relaxing with each exhale. Now bring your attention to the top of your head and move downward, or you can start at your feet and move upward. It really doesn't matter. Just focus on one body part at a time. So your scalp, face, jaws, ears, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, chest, stomach, thighs, calves, and feet. Notice any sensations that might seem tight, warm, cool, tingly, numb, rough. If you notice any tension, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to judge it. We're just observing. And this is called body scan, so we're just noticing. And if your mind wanders, that's normal. Just bring your attention back to your body. Now, sometimes when we are quiet and still, emotions pop out. It may seem like they're coming out of nowhere. This is common and normal. Just let your body do what it's doing. There's no need to stop it, ignore it, or cope with it. It's fine. You're in a safe place. Let yourself feel what you're feeling until it changes or ends. And it will end as long as you don't feed it or stuff it down. If this is really challenging for you, set a timer and go for 1 minute. We can all do 1 minute. And as your ability to focus and concentrate grows, you can do it longer if you like. So there's no supposed to's with body scan. Sometimes a few seconds is all you need to feel grounded again. And sometimes you might really want to luxuriate in the practice and go for a long time. To end the practice, you may want to take a few deep breaths and gently bring yourself back to the present moment. It can help to stretch or wiggle your toes or hands, and you could also journal about your experience. The best time to practice body scan for building a mindfulness practice is at the beginning or end of each day. It's easier to make it part of a routine if you do it then. You can also do it when you're feeling distressed and need to feel more grounded. If you're feeling disconnected, dissociated, or emotionally dysregulated, doing a body scan can help you feel here and calm again. If you anticipate a stressful event or you're just coming out of a stressful event, body scan is a useful practice to kind of shake it off. It helps people feel grounded and present because it takes you out of your thoughts and brings you into your body. It helps you learn which physical sensations go with which emotions so you know what you're feeling. Body scan can help you to feel relaxed, and lots of people have no idea what that's like. So after a while, it'll also help you to build self-compassion and acceptance. Body scan is a pretty easy skill to learn and do. Don't discount it because it feels too easy. It still takes practice to build mindfulness as a way of life, so you may want to make body scan a part of your daily routine. If you'd like other DBT tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you're the first to know when a new skill posts. And don't forget to check out that DBT RODBT playlist, as there are already some skills there that everyone can use. So I was saying to someone the other day, DBT skills are the things that healthy people use every day without thinking about it. And if you acquire and use those skills, you can feel healthy and bounce back from life's ups and downs easily too. So see you next time. Ciao.